Da prisutne po zagovoru Blažnje Device Marije, Kraljice mira, blagoslovi čuva svemogući Bog, Otac, Sin i Duh Sveti. Idite u miru.
The Mass just ended and now I take you a little walking tour here in Medjugorje. It was a beautiful morning Mass. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. You also can make a donation, a monthly donation on Patreon. You find the information below in the links, in the commentary of the video, in the description of the video. Have a joyful Sunday wherever you are, and let's go together here in Medjugorje. As you can see, the people are leaving from the Mass, from the first Mass, the 8 o'clock Mass, the Croatian Mass. The Sunday starts here in Medjugorje, and hello! I will start it now with a little cake and an espresso. I wish you a joyful, beautiful Sunday. As I said, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, that other people also see the beauty of Medjugorje. And you also can make a donation on Patreon if you like. Thank you for that, and have a joyful Sunday wherever you are. Greetings from Medjugorje. I will pray for you, and please keep me on your prayers that I can do beautiful videos for you showing the beauty of Medjugorje. Bye bye for now.